Hello everybody, hope you are fine. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be telling you how to enable LED light on call and notifications in your device Infinix Hot 20. So if you want to do so, you have to follow a few steps which I'll be sharing with you in my today's video. But before that, don't forget to hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon so you won't miss any of my updates. Now watch this video and you will learn how to turn on LED light on call and notifications in your device.